Okay, were you planning to buy some drugs
Yes,
or
I
something?
was.
What kind of drugs were you wanting to buy?
Rock.
Rock.
Yes, I was.
You gave her $20 to buy.
I gave her $20. She gave me some plaster.
And now you want your $20 back
Yes, I do.
because she didn't supply you with cocaine.
Well, if she shouldn't give me nothing, no plaster or nothing, she should have said no.
What's going on?
She come around here a while ago. There used to be some people that right over there that used to sell.
Yeah.
We were sitting out here on the porch in some chairs. So she said, y'all have anything to buy? I said, no, baby, we don't have nothing to sell. So she left one around the corner. Then she come back 10 minutes later, holler, give me my money back up. No, you ain't bought nothing from here. Don't disrespect my child. This is my child. I don't sell crack. I'm a prostitute. I don't sell crack. I'm a prostitute.
So that was the one
the what I am saying here is this. She even went to meet the wrong person. Obviously, she doesn't even know what's going on. This one is not even the person that's selling the drug. This one is Ashawo.
It's about it's his mother. The one who was selling the drugs, that's his mother.
His life no balance. Imagine this kind of what kind of family is this? The mother is a prostitute and the child is selling drugs.
Yes, now this is how some people do their day by day life.
I remember when I was living in America.
Yeah,
we used to do sort. We used to do some business and
wait. So before let me prepare myself mentally for your stories.
I was not selling drugs.
You never sell drugs.
I knew somebody who was using. Don't worry.
Although I'm sure you have touched drugs.
No.
You have worked with drug dealers before. The
drugs I was selling was just for headache.
Aspirin.
Exactly.
I don't believe you.
Mexalin.
You was selling coca for it, for headache.
The only thing is that they wrote crack on it, but it was not really. They just wrote it on the paper. You understand?
Okay. It's me. You don't. Okay, it's
what
me. I understand you. But back in the days, life was hard. Just tell me you needed.
Somebody will be telling something. You will be arguing. You will be assuming.
I don't believe you.
I was selling headache medicine. They only wrote crack on it. It was even long time ago in the 80s. Then it was not this dangerous as it is now. Now they have spoiled the business. Please let me be going. I'm telling you.
Uncle, don't worry. It was
headache.
Nobody is judging you. Just normal.
It was headache.
I know.
People like you will go and report me to the police and you give me $20. It was headache medicine. Headache, not crack.
Uncle, it's so good now.
They only wrote crack on the packet.
And you didn't know what that was.
It was not that dangerous.
And they didn't tell you what they used that crack for.
That's your business.
Yo, Noma, you're a fool.